Ever wondered how to turn your dreams into achievable targets? Well, the answer lies in the power of financial goals. These aren't just arbitrary figures or wishful thinking. Instead, they are the compass that guides us towards financial prosperity. They provide direction, fuel motivation, and paint a clear vision of our financial future. Now let's talk about dreams and goals. You see, a dream is just a vague desire. It's like saying, one day I'd love to purchase a house. But a goal? That's a dream with a plan. It's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Yes, that's right, we're talking about SMART goals. So that dream of buying a house becomes, I will save $200,000 in 5 years to purchase a house. That's the difference. That's the power of financial goals. Remember, a dream written down with a date becomes a goal. Welcome to the journey of turning dreams into targets. Ready to transform your financial dreams into goals? Here's how. Start by identifying what you want to achieve financially. Is it a comfortable retirement, a down payment for a house, or perhaps a college fund for your child? Once you've pinpointed your desires, it's time to quantify these wants into specific numbers. For instance, if you're eyeing retirement, calculate how much you'll need to sustain your lifestyle. Next, set a timeline. If your goal is 5 years away, you'll need to save or invest a certain amount each month. Make your goals realistic and achievable. There's no point in setting a goal that's beyond your reach. Remember, your financial goals aren't set in stone. You'll need to review them regularly and adjust as necessary. Maybe your income has increased or your living expenses have decreased. These changes can and should affect your financial goals. Setting a financial goal is like setting a compass. It directs your efforts towards achieving your dream. So, what have we learned today? We've delved into the power of financial goals and how they can steer you towards financial security and freedom. Remember, a dream is just a dream until you put a plan into action. Turning dreams into achievable targets requires setting financial goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART for short. We've walked through the step-by-step process of setting your financial goals. Begin by identifying what you want to achieve, then determine how much it will cost. Next, create a timeline for your goal, and finally, develop a savings or investment strategy to achieve it. Setting realistic financial goals is crucial. It's not just about aiming high, it's also about understanding your capabilities and resources. Remember, patience and perseverance are key. It's a journey, not a race. With these steps, you're now equipped to turn your dreams into achievable targets. Go ahead, take control of your financial future.